Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I will be showing you how to fix iPhone not charging fast. So a lot of people have this issue. So for this, what I recommend is head over to your browser, and from there you're going to be simply searching for the original, let me just fix this, charger for, let's just say you have iPhone 16 Pro Max, and you're going to be making sure that you are actually using the original charger. So you can see we have on official Apple Store iPhone accessories, and make sure that you're using the official brick, which is, you can see we have 40 watts dynamic power adapter with 60-watt max, and we have various other devices. So you can order one of these from their official site, or you can purchase anything similar or exactly the same from your local store. So the only thing that is happening is you are not charging your phone with the proper chargers, unless your battery is of course faulty. You're going to be getting the best results with this kind of charger, which officially is provided by Apple. So this is the main scenario and fix for this. Other than that, there is no any option to do it from settings to optimize the charging or anything. But yeah, this is the most genuine way to fix this issue. So use authentic stuff and you will get the best results. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.